It's a very subtle song. It's really not meant to be played on a concert D Steinway Grand.
What a marvelous war, ain't never seen a scene quite so scenic. With the life of a party, you and I, they say like they mean it. But if they wanted to connect, if they wanted to inspect, then they do it. Instead of trying to convince us that they're fabulous, we're fabulous. It's all just sticking to my tongue, sticking to my mouth, man. Gotta get it out before I choke. Cause I don't wanna find the one. That's just an idiot fantasy that we're waiting on again. No, I don't wanna find the one. Isn't love enough? Cause I don't wanna find the one. The one I met you, I bet you will get to be a come on, habit. We like lining up the white dots, getting into tight spots, wreaking havoc. Now you hate to be alone, hate the sound of my iPhone whenever it's ringing. Oh, you know it's not love when we reach out to touch you and you fidget. Is this the end game of romance, man? Making endless plans, plan it if you can. Believe me out, I don't wanna find the one. That's just an idiot fantasy that we're waiting on again. No, I don't wanna find the one. Isn't love enough? Cause I don't wanna find the one. Love gets so much better when you don't put pressure on me and don't expect me to be everything I once man. I'm so much better when you don't put pressure on love and don't expect it to be everything I once. Cause it's such a gift to give it, to take it, to make it. Oh, I wouldn't trade it for a ring, to your heart. Cause I don't wanna find the one. That's just an idiot fantasy that we're waiting on again. Oh, I don't wanna